So if you got an old muffler off of an ATV that's not looking too great, I'll show you how to do a quick restoration on it. First off, especially this is off my 99 Yamaha 350 Warrior. Only paid $800 for the ATV, so I'm not really interested in like buying a performance exhaust or anything. So I'm going to hit this guy up with steel wool, get the surface rust off, clean it up, and then paint it with some engine paint enamel. Should look close to new. Usually if you hit it with some WD-40, that'll help get the rust off too, but I usually do that on something where I'm not worried about necessarily painting it. I'm just going to rough this up and see what comes off. You can see it's already getting a good bit of the rust off just by sanding it, where I could have just painted over the rust. This is going to look a lot better. Got your knucklehead. This guy dry off and then paint it. I always try to do the really light with the paint first coat. Now I'm using the Rust-Oleum engine enamel, so up to 500 degrees. I've used the Krylon heat resistant like grills, but it ends up pretty flat, so I think this will work a little better. Slight improvement from before.